Hello, I'm Marcia Bonfim, the creator of the Song Activity Factory and the exclusive subscriber club. Today, I'm excited to walk you through the updated version of the musical word search lesson, Enhanced Edition. This 60-minute activity designed for B1 Plus teens and adults uses Chesney Hawks' song Loud to dive into themes of communication, loss, and resilience. We'll review each step and I'll share some tips to make this lesson even more engaging. But first, just a quick note. The activities for February and March might be a little delayed as I'm implementing some new updates to improve the quality. Please be patient with me. Things are going to be fantastic soon. Well, let's go. From step 1, the warm-up discussion, 5 minutes. Start with the Genially slide 1 and ask students, how do people deal with loss? Write their responses on the board as they share. Encourage them to open up by sharing personal experiences too. If you're teaching in person, move around the room to engage quieter students. And for online classes, use the chat to gather responses. Share a brief example from your own life to show that you are open to the conversation. Step 2. The lyric analysis, 5 minutes. Display the slide 2 with the song lyrics. Ask one of the students to read the lines aloud. Then ask, what do these words say about how the singer feels about loss? If students are a bit unsure, you can read the lyrics first to guide them. Highlight key phrases and discuss what they might reveal about the vulnerability and emotional expression. Now on to step 3, song prediction and listening, 5 minutes. Now, show slide 3 and ask, do you recognize the song? If not, what do you think the tone of the song will be? Slow, sad, or upbeat? Then, play loud for the students.
Can you hear me singing to you? Have I lost you? Maybe you're here if I sing this loud. If you're near me, give me something.
Step 4. Pair analysis, 5 to 7 minutes. After listening, pair students up and have them discuss the message of the song. In person, they should sit face to face. Online, use breakout rooms. Ask, what do you think the singer is trying to say about loss? After about 5 minutes, bring everyone back together. If the students are hesitant to share, feel free to summarize the discussion to help them get started. Step 5. Dialogue and quiz, 15 to 20 minutes. Now, we'll listen to Emily and James talking. After the first listen, ask the students, how does Emily's struggle relate to the song? Hand out the quiz worksheet and play the audio again while students complete it. Once everyone's finished, go over the answers as a class using the provided answer key. Focus on thought-provoking questions like, why do you think silence can be more painful than a fight? As you walk around the room, offer support to students working in pairs. Step 6. Musical word search, 5 to 7 minutes. This step is optional. Hand out the word search worksheet and let the students solve the puzzle first. You can have a competition to see who wins, who finds the words first. Then, they will use the words they found to fill in the blanks from the song lyrics. Afterwards, play loud again to check their answers. Celebrate their effort over speed. If you're teaching in person and the energy is high, turn it into a fun timed challenge. And if any students are struggling, feel free to offer discreet help. Step 7. The music video reflection. Ask students what they think the music video of the song would be like. And then play the video for them to check their ideas. Does the video match your predictions about the song's tone? How does it amplify the song's message? Ask these questions to them. If you can't access the video, you can go deeper into lyric analysis or describe the key scenes. Finish by discussing cultural perspective with questions like, how is silence viewed in your culture, especially in relationships? This is a great way to make the lesson even more personal. Adaptations for in-person classes. If you're teaching without technology, print the lyric handouts and worksheets for students. You can also read the Emily and James dialogue aloud with the students and use the boards for brainstorming instead of the genially slides. For the music video, focus more on a deeper lyric discussion or even have the students create their own storyboards based on the song's themes. All the materials, worksheets, audio files, and answer keys are available in the exclusive subscriber club section for this musical word search engaged edition. Stay tuned for new tutorials, exciting updates, and more great resources for all you ESL music lovers out there. I'm working here on some awesome things to make your teaching even more fun and effective. Thanks for being part of the Song Activity Factory family and the exclusive subscriber club. I can't wait to hear how your students enjoy the lessons. Happy teaching! See you soon!